good day to all my dear students. Last class, we learned about the introduction to business ethics. Is it so? So, what do you mean by the ethical problems? What are the ethical problems the human face, etc.? Last class, I taught you. Yes. So, today, you're going to learn meaning of business ethics. Okay. So, ethics in Latin language is called as ethikos, and in Greek it is called as ethikos. Okay, so in fact, this word can be originated from ethos, which means character or manners. Okay, so ethics is said to be the source of morals, a treatise on the moral principles, recognized rules of conduct. Ethics can be considered as the source of character of a person expressed as right or wrong conduct or action. Okay. So this is all about what's the meaning of business ethics. Next, we shall learn definitions of ethics and business ethics. Okay. So according to Concise Oxford Dictionary, ethics is relating to morals, treating of moral questions, morally correct or honorable. Ethics is the study of moral and moral choices. Okay, so ethics focuses on standards, rules, and codes of conduct that govern the behavior of individuals and groups. In simplest terms, business ethics or moral principles that define right and wrong behavior in the world of business. Okay, so ethics can be defined as the study of what makes up good and bad conduct related to the actions and values. Okay, so business ethics, in which this particular subject, it is the study of ethics which can be defined as the study of what makes up good and bad conduct as related to the business values and business activities. Okay, so according to John Donaldson, okay, business ethics, in short, it can be described as the systematic study of moral or ethical matters pertaining to business, industry, or related activities and institutions or practices and beliefs. Okay, so it can also refer to the actual standards, values, or practices or beliefs. So business ethics is a systematic handling of values in business and industry. Okay, business ethics or the application of ethical rules to business behavior. Business ethics or rules of business conduct by which the proprietary of business activities may be judged. It can also relates to the behavior of managers. Okay, so next is scope of business ethics. Okay, so the objective of ethics is to have the basic ideas to start with and to have wider later on knowledge of business ethics and values. Okay, so they are required to study about the values and its relevance in the modern context. Okay, so ethical issues can exist at all levels of business activity. Okay, so business ethics can concern the ground rules of individual company and by the societal behavior. Okay, so objective of business ethics as per Peter Pratley. Okay, so business ethics has a twofold objective. The first one is which evaluates the human practices by calling upon the moral standards. Second one which gives a prescriptive advice on how to act morally in a specific kind of situations. Okay, so what's the first objective? The first objective which implies the analysis and evaluation. Okay, here it leads to an ethical diagnosis of past actions and events. Okay, so this analysis which consists of clarifying standards and lines of argument. Okay, so the basic assumptions behind the moral actions and judgments are mainly taken for granted. Okay, so normative, this ethics sets itself as a second and more corrective purpose. So ethics, it develops the rational methods for answering the present and future issues. Okay, so in order to achieve the second objective, which gives the prescriptive advice on how to act morally in a specific kind of situations. Yes, so this is the second objective of business ethics. So here the balanced judgment are based on the careful assessment of the relevant information. So one has to be quite specific when deciding upon the appropriate normative standards. So if both the objectives are in the same conditions, the ethical thought may lead to the valid prescriptions. Okay, so the second objective is to provide the corrective advice. Okay, so it will be suggesting the solutions and policies while we are facing the present dilemmas and future damages. Okay, which means the dangers. So they will be based on well-informed opinions. So this especially which requires an identification of a relevant stakeholder and a clear understanding of the vital issues at stake. Okay, so employees, okay, so they will be having a security of job, better working conditions, better recommendation and participative management as well as the welfare activities, while the customers, they will be having the better quality of goods and services at reasonable prices, and not to practice the discriminatory pricing and not to make the false claims about products in advertisements. So the shareholders, they ensure the capital appreciation, they ensure the steady and regular dividends, they disclose all the relevant informations and they protect the minority shareholders' interest, not to window dress balance sheets, and to protect the interest in times of mergers and takeovers. Okay, so what's the government? Complying with the rules and regulations, honesty in paying taxes and other dues, acting as a partner in the progress of the country. So the banks and other lending institutions, they guarantee safety of borrowed funds, they promote the repayment of loans. So these are about the scope of business ethics. Okay, thank you.